Hi friends, today we are going to Sakleshpur. It is a beautiful hill station in Western Ghats. It's around 200 kilometers from Bangalore. It is roughly 5 hours drive.
Guru Bansi wale ki
Places to visit in and around Sakleshpur include a trove of majestic temples, monumental forts, enchanting waterfalls, spectacular mountain hikes, and biodiversity hotspots.
It is also known for its coffee and spice plantations. It's quite popular among off-roaders and home to various annual off-roading events.
Breakfast break at Dhruv Tare. Good breakfast, scenic roads. We are loving it.
We will be staying at Raksidi Jungle Homes and will visit Manjirabad Fort on the way to homestay.
So excited, can't wait!
We have parked our vehicle roadside and there seems to be a lot of stairs.
After roughly 200 stairs, we are at the entrance.
This historical fort was built by Tipu Sultan to defend from Britishers. Fort is uniquely shaped as a star. It has barracks for soldiers, chamber for storing ammunition, and a central water tank.
This fort is awesome. Misty weather gave it its name as well as its green color. Blockbuster Kannada movie Mungaru Male was also shot here. A walk along the fort wall is probably the best thing to do to enjoy the view.
Now we are heading to our stay. This place is deep within forest and last few kilometers are unpaved. Both sides of the road are covered with coffee and spice plantations and tall trees. We have reached and the location is absolutely divine, bang in the middle of a sprawling coffee plantation. One can't get any closer to nature than this. Rooms are small but clean. They just have queen size bed, a cupboard and minimal toiletries. There is a waterfall within the property itself. We will go there after lunch.
How is the food, Piyu?
Great. Going to waterfall to take our bath.
Waterfall is little far as this is a 900-acre property. They have a 4x4 jeep, but we are taking our Thar as well for the fun of off-roading.
It was a bit slippery, so the staff helped us reach the fall. Cool thing was, it's private, so we had the entire waterfall exclusively for us.
They arranged a bonfire before the dinner with some lighting and music. Overall, a relaxing and to a nice day. Next day, we woke up early by rooster's call. We went for a morning walk in the coffee estate. It was fun, but later we realized that there were many leeches in our clothes and socks. After getting rid of leeches, we had breakfast and checked out. We plan to visit Bettada Bhairaveshwara temple on our way to Bangalore. It is a calm and serene Lord Shiva temple, surrounded by breathtaking hills. One of the popular stories associated with the temple is the stay of Pandavas during exile. There is a viewpoint on the nearby hill. It is a 30-minute trek, or a 4x4 vehicle can reach till the viewpoint itself.
Once I reached the top, I was surrounded by clouds all around. One would surely fall in love with this place.
Now it was time to say bye to Sakleshpur and head back to Bangalore with some great memories. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe to follow us on upcoming journeys.